Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with some beautiful fashionable handbag collection from AliExpress. But at first, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest videos. Okay, so let's start. So this is the first bag. As you can see, it's a woman's leather handbag. So this one is a shoulder bag and it has a long belt with it. As you can see, this is the bag. The leather quality looks so good. This is actually a high quality bag. As you can see, it has a comfortable fabric. This is the front side and this is the back side. So it's a pretty cool shoulder bag. As you can see, it is very easy to carry and it has many color options. These are the colors. The belt looks different in every color, so you can just choose your color. Each and every color is so beautiful and this bag is so classy. And this bag has very good reviews and ratings. As you can see, it has 79% 5-star ratings, which is pretty good, and more than 1,000 reviews and 2,000 orders. So this bag is very good orderable and it has very good reviews, as you can see. Okay, now let's check the price. The previous price was $33.09 and now the price is $14.56. So here is 56% discount in this bag right now. So it is very affordable. The price is really so affordable. Okay, let's see the next one. So this one is also a shoulder bag, but it's a square line bag. As you can see, this is not a big one, it's a small bag, but it is pretty cool. It has a very long belt and this one is so fashionable. It has very good capacity in it. This bag has many color options. So this one is the black color, this is brown, coffee color, so bright. This one is gray and pink. All the colors are so good and this bag has very good reviews and ratings. It has 68% 5-star ratings and more than 600 reviews and 1,000 orders. Wow, it has very much good orders. As you can see, 1,752 orders. So this is quite popular in AliExpress. Okay, now let's check the price. The previous price was $5.53 and now the price is only $4.98. It has 10% discount right now, but this bag is very affordable. In this price, this is so good. Okay, let's see the next one. So this one is a straw bucket shoulder bag. As you can see, it actually looks like a bucket, but it's a shoulder bag and this one has very good design with belt. It has a long belt, so you can just carry it as you wish. This is actually so classy and it's a travel bag. It has many color options. Let's see, this is the beige, this one is so cool, and this is the black. The leather changes the colors, but this is so good, brown and green, so you can just choose your color. This bag has very good reviews and ratings. It has 88% 5-star ratings, more than 100 reviews and 4,000 orders. This is so good. It has many orders. Okay, let's check the price. The previous price was $21.97 and now the price is $13.40. So this bag has 39% discount right now and this is a good discount. I think the price looks very reasonable. I really like this bag. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, so this one is also a shoulder handbag. As you can see, this is actually so colorful. It looks so good. This is a small handbag, but it has very good capacity in it, so you can just use it in your everyday work. So classy, and the leather quality looks actually so good, and it has many color options. This one is gray, this is the yellow, blue looks so good. This one is brown, pink, wow, this is a wine red, and this is black. So many colors, and every color is so good. This is a very colorful bag, and this bag has very good reviews and ratings. 86% 5-star ratings. It's a good rating, and it has more than 1,000 reviews and more than 2,000 orders. So it has very good reviews and orders. Now let's check the price. The previous price was $27, and now the price is only $15.66. So it has 42% big discount. So this is right now so perfect, or you can just carry it everywhere. Okay, let's check the bag. So this is another leather handbag. As you can see, this is a handbag with a purse pocket. This is so good, and it is really a big size bag. As you can see, the size has mentioned, and the leather quality looks so good. It is actually a shiny leather, so it's an everyday wearable bag, and you can just carry many things in it. It has really good capacity. You can see it's a large size bag with a big capacity. So good. There is a long belt option, so you can just carry it in your shoulders. This bag looks so qualityful, and I really love it. It has very good reviews and ratings also. 81% 5-star ratings and more than 1,000 reviews, and it has 5,000 orders. More than 5,000 actually. So this is really popular bag, I think. Actually the bag is so good. I really love this bag, and it has many color options, so you can just choose your colors. Wow, the colors are so good. This is so shiny, and leather quality looks actually very good. Okay, let's check the price. The previous price was $33.89, and now the price is only $14.91. Wow, it has 56% huge discount. This is actually so good. It's a perfect bag with this price range. Shoulder bag, a new luxurious handbag for women. As you can see, this is the bag. It is a soft leather handbag. The bag is so beautiful and fashionable. The design of the bag is so pretty, and this is so fashionable. As you can see, this is quite different in design and so pretty. This bag has many color options. This one is a black color, it's a sky blue, so nice. This is the brown color. The pink one is so pretty and beautiful. This is the red and white. Each and every color is so much beautiful, and this bag is so fashionable. The quality looks so good, the leather is so good, and it has long belt also. And this bag has very good reviews and ratings. 71% 5-star ratings. Now let's check the price. The previous price of this bag was $22.88, and now the price is only $13.50. So you'll get huge 41% discount in this bag right now. This is so reasonable. Okay, now let's see the next one. So this one is a leather shoulder bag for women. As you can see, this is actually 3-in-1. You'll get a handbag and a mini purse with it. This bag is quite big and has good capacity in it. As you can see, this bag is so fashionable, and you can use this in everyday use. This one is a brown. It has other colors. This one is a gray. This is the black, red, and brown. So each and every bag is so pretty, so colorful, and you can see it has long belt, and the purse also has a long cute belt, so you can use this as you want. This bag has very good reviews and ratings. You can see that it has 80% 5-star ratings, and the previous price of this bag was $27.84, and now the price is only $13.92. So you can get a huge 50% discount in this bag right now. Wow, this is actually half of the price. So this bag is so reasonable right now, only $13.92. It's a good deal actually. Okay, now let's check the next one. So this one is a very large capacity shoulder bag. As you can see, it's a leather bag, and the leather quality looks so good. This handbag is so fashionable, and it can be as a shoulder bag. It has a long belt. This bag looks so fashionable, and it is a large bag, so it has very good capacity. This one is so qualityful, very large capacity, so you can use this as your wish. It has many color options. As you can see, this is the black one, so blue, red and white. There is another pattern of it, and it has 3 colors. This is so beautiful and so fashionable, and this bag has very good reviews and ratings. It has 100% 5-star ratings. Okay, now let's check the price. The previous price was $27.64, and now the price is only $16.03. So you'll get huge 42% discount in this bag right now. So it is so reasonable and affordable right now. Now let's check the next one. So this one is a leather handbag. As you can see, this is the bag. It can be used as a shoulder bag. It has a long belt option, so you can use this as you want. This bag is so colorful and so pretty. As you can see, this is not the large one, but it has good capacity. This one is so fashionable, and the leather quality looks so good. It's a qualityful bag, and it has many color options. This one is brown color, this is green, so beautiful. This one is red, coffee color. This one looks so pretty and so colorful. Each and every color is so beautiful, and this bag is so good in leather quality. Now let's check the price. The previous price of this bag was $80.16, and now the price is only $46.49. So you can get 42% huge discount in this bag right now. So this is a huge discount, and you can get this bag in only $46.49. Now let's check the last bag. So the last one is a leather handbag, and it has cartoon pattern. As you can see, this is actually so fashionable. It's a fashion bag. This bag is so fashionable, and the leather quality looks so good, and it has long belt option, so you can use this as a shoulder bag. And this bag has very good capacity in it. It's a huge capacity bag. The leather is so good, and the capacity is also so good, and it has many cartoon patterns. It's a green color with a different pattern. This one is also so fashionable. There is another pattern, and this is also so pretty and so fashionable. Each and every pattern is so pretty, and this bag is so fashionable. As you can see, it has very good reviews and ratings also, 88% 5-star ratings. Now let's check the price. The previous price was $27.50, and now the price is only $15.95. So this bag is so reasonable, and it has 42% huge discount on this right now. So you can get this beautiful leather cartoon pattern handbag in only $15.95. This is so affordable right now. This one is the last one. So if you like all these bags, I'll give all the links in the description. If you want, you can check. Thank you so much for watching.